Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M22, and today I will show you how you can adjust notification bar icons, basically notification bar shortcuts. Open your notification bar just like that, then swipe on the right, and as you can see we have this icon, so you have to tap on it. When you make it, we'll get the additional bar where we can find additional icons. For example, we can add the synchronize option, click, hold, and then drag it here. Oh, let's make it another time. Here. Right now, if you want to change position of the location, so for example you want to get it on the first list, click, hold, and then drag it like that. We can put it between the sound and the Bluetooth, and then click done to finish. So that's how we can adjust shortcuts. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.